Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Okay, what I'm doing here is I got a little saw and I'm making the hole bigger. But before, what I did is I originally had taken the switch out and I measured the new switch and made sure that it would fit in between the two studs. There's a stud coming down by my left post, and there's a stud coming down by the window, and there's only like 2 3/4 inch clearance, and the switch is 2.5 inches wide. So I made sure that it would fit there first, and because we're on the road, I don't have the right tools. I don't have my Dremel. I've got a nice router that I don't have. So I've got like a little hacksaw, and it actually cut pretty good. So I measured out the back of the switch. It came to, I think, 2.5 inches. And what I'm doing right now is cutting that out, and yeah, just cutting in and making sure the switch fits. And it was kind of a test of whether I had to see which wire fit what too, because LEDs are positive and negative sensitive. If you hook them up backwards, they won't work. So the ground is ground, and so that's going to be the same. But the positive and negative, it has to feed. It's almost like it's got a diode in it or something. LEDs have to feed positive and negative, otherwise they don't work. So what I'm doing right now is cutting out the hole big enough for the other switch to work, because the original switch I think was about an inch, a little over an inch wide, and this one's 2.5. So yeah, and it fit in there really nice. The adage, measure twice, cut once. And now I'm taking the crimp off of the ground and stripping the wires off so I can hook the wires back in. I ended up using the same crimp on the ground, and then made sure I had the right ones hooked up for the LED for the dimming the switches, and put a couple crimps on them, some quick connects, and shoving it back in the hole now, and put a couple little screws in there. There you go, finished plate on.
So here's the final result of switching over the dimmer switch in the little cove area here. And it goes on, and then it dims so nicely. So that was a good switch out on that one. So today, our next project is to put a pop-up electrical outlet in the top of the table, because they have down underneath the table, they have 2 outlets way down in the bottom, and so we're going to take that and add an extension cord to it and make an outlet and a USB plug in here on the top of the table.
Thick.
Is it? Yeah. It's kind of scary when you drill into the top of the table.
hard to get it started. That's the hardest part. So I really can't. See, it just doesn't. Actually, it'll probably in there almost. A little bit in the edges there. I've got to do some knockout with some plugs, otherwise I can't run the wire up in there. I can knock them out later, I guess. That's pretty good. That's tight.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Me to put a mounting bracket, but I'm just going to run screws right in here and here.
Okay.
You don't have to.
And there it is.
There
Yep.
it is. Nice. Yep. Okay.
So we got this on Amazon. It's actually a floor plug-in. It's for the floor. Floor outlet. That's all it says, floor outlet.
Head came off. Well,
Okay, well that's
not going to come out.
Wow, that's pretty hard.
Well, that wood is, yeah. That'll be all right. There's nothing in the way there, so.
So the first head came off and the second head.
Okay, well, it's stripped out, so But it's okay. It's just
It is. It
it's
will
holding the
hold.
box
Yep,
in there, and I'm
yep.
just gonna run the wire up through here. Now, okay, I'll come up through there, and I just wind around. And actually, I can cut it off quite a bit shorter.
So this is an extension cord that we got and we just cut the one end off so that we just have the plug-in end. And then you bring it through the box.
Get a rubber.
Right through that hole right there.
I want to put insulation in here so the wire doesn't rub against the.
So a little rubber grommet,
Yeah.
custom fit.
Oh, yeah. When I cut too much off, I'll have to get a little piece in there. The wire's already insulated. I just don't want it marking out against the. Boy, that's gonna be tight fit. Here we go.
Nice.
So,
There it is.
just keeps it from touching. I need to get in here.
Yeah. There it is.
Okay,
Nice.
press the button,
Okay.
press the button in again. Cheap thing. Let me get this and pry this up.
Well.
What? It's just I might have to. I don't know.
All right. Well, we got it in. We got it closed. We know it works. And now it won't open.
I can push it from the bottom, but
All right. Here we go.
I'll try it.
Oh.
You have to press the button and press
And
down.
do that. Okay.
Now you have to hold the button down. See?
Oh, till it clicks.
No, you have to do this, and that button doesn't do it. You have to press down a little bit, then it comes up.
Oh.
There's a lock on it that you can't. See, you have to push down on it a little
Push
bit
down. Okay.
to release it because it's caught on that slide. That's why it wasn't coming up. Just gotta press down a little bit.
Okay,
Going
cool.
on the road with Harley and Mona.
Done.
RV broke.